We're continuing our study of the Seminar of Jacques Lacan, Book 1, Freud's Papers on Technique, 1953 to 1954. In the introduction to the commentaries on Freud's Papers on Technique, Lacan claims that any therapy that aspires to the goal of strengthening the patient's ego is not the kind of therapy a therapist ought to practice. He accepts the fact that Freud's papers on technique laid the groundwork for patients to reconstruct and rewrite their histories so as to live better and more engaging lives in the present. But Lacan questions whether the path to that goal is the same as the so-called ego psychology as it was practiced by Freud's progenitors like Anna Freud and Melanie Klein. On the contrary, Lacan views the human ego as not the solution to psychological trouble, but a symptom of psychopathology. Lacan even goes so far as to call the ego, on page 16 of the text, the human symptom par excellence. Yeah. Now, what does Lacan mean by the word ego? Surely the word can be used in a variety of ways. Here in this introduction, Lacan is frankly pretty cryptic about what he means. But he seems to hint at an almost Buddhist conception of ego, where the human ego serves as a defense mechanism that rears up when a person feels threatened by the outside world. So is this what Lacan means? Let's see as we continue our study of the text. Thank you for listening.